It's a lazy river.
That's the crazy river.
Oh, that's a crazy river. It's not a lazy river, right?
Yeah. I want to ride the crazy river.
Welcome back. Please remain seated until instructed to exit by a team member.
Right now. Why don't you go to the crazy river? Again.
I'm gonna go through here, right?
This is under that. I think we're going to that one.
Hmm?
This is the one where we went to the.
Oh yeah, that's the right again.
I was going toward
The crazy river.
the way.
What's that one? That's the crazy river.
I think so.
Yeah, that's the crazy river.
I want to go through here.
Yeah, I can go with you. Oh, look at all those pipes there. That is not a lazy river for sure. That's definitely not a lazy river.
Oh yeah. Oh no, drop slides.
Hmm?
Oh yeah. No, drop slides.
I think the slide got stuck.
Yeah. Oh yeah, and oh no, drop slide.
Where? Oh, here it is. Oh yeah, and oh no, drops.
Let's look at the map to see where we're going. Maps is there.
Hmm?
Now look at the map.
That's a oh no. Oh, that's a two different
Oh.
rides. This one is called oh yeah, and the other one is called oh no.
I guess the oh yeah one is better.
No, the worst one is called oh no, oh no, oh no 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 no. What happened here? Oh,
Oh, it's the crazy.
oh look the wave.
Swim for your lives.
Woo.
Okay, let's go.
You wanna go into the crazy slide? Oh, the crazy slide, the crazy river.
Yeah.
Oh, look at all those steams. I'm wondering, how do you feel like inside of those tubes?
Sorry to bother you. What time is it?